Hi, I'm Dr. Sam, a board-certified plastic and reconstructive surgeon, and today we're going to talk about neck lifts. Doing a traditional neck lift is a surgical technique. It commonly involves an incision where we make it down to the bottom of the neck, as well as if we really want to do a full lift to really remove a lot of redundant tissue, an incision along the anterior portion of the ear, minimally, but extending back into the hairline for us to really be able to lift everything upward. So it's a similar incision to a facelift, except not extending up too high onto the face, but the back portion so we can really do a good approach to the neck and really get in there. We combine liposuction to help remove a lot of that redundant fat that may be present, as well as a lift of the skin. And anteriorly from this small cut we make underneath, we go in and tighten this musculature called a platysmoplasty, because that's the muscle that lays along our entire neck, to really help lose a lot of that banding that people have, as well as the redundant look in the neck. Some other approaches to doing a neck lift, there are non-surgical options nowadays. Some of those include thermi or NV treatments. This is radio frequency treatments that we do that help tighten the skin externally. We do offer both techniques, as well as Kybella, which is an injection we do in the area that helps melt the fat and really does a good job tightening skin as well. Depending on who you are and how much you want to do, as well as what your goals are and how much scarring you can tolerate, we have a whole host of options for treating the neck. So come on in, email us, we're here for you.